Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to do Google My Business SEO locally. If you're trying to get more local customers through Google, then local SEO for your Google My Business profile is where it all starts. It's not just about having a listing, it's about optimizing it so your business shows up when people nearby are searching for what you offer. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how local SEO works for Google My Business, what factors matter most, and how to improve your visibility in Google Maps. And also, what simple steps you can take to rank higher than your competitors. So, first, you have to simply open a browser and search for Google My Business, and after that, you will be onto this website. Once you get there, either you can go with the sign in if you don't have your listing, otherwise you can click on manage now and you will be onto this page. So first you have to simply write the name of your business, but not only the name, you also have to add your business category. Let's say you run a bakery, it is a gluten free bakery. So write the name of your bakery and also type the gluten free bakery. If you run a school, just simply write the name and run the school or the education, the institute. Like your name explains what type of your business it is. So let's say if someone is searching for the gluten free bakery, your name will be there because it has the keywords in it. So just simply add something like that. And then you have to choose either you run online business, you have a physical store, or you only offer the services. So choose as per your business, then click on next. After that, you have to choose your business category. It is very much important based on your business and its niche. Just simply select something related, because if someone search for, let's say, bakery, then there are chances that your name will come at first. Then business address is very crucial. The address you add, based on that you will do local SEO. So make sure you're adding the correct address. If you're doing that, then you will be ranking higher in the searches. Make sure you do the right address. Let's say whatever address you have added and someone is searching within that area, then there are chances that your business will be in the searches on the first name. Then you will get this option like it asks that do you own this business or your business is related to any one of these. So you can just simply none of these, or maybe you can just simply select if any of the existing business matches. Then here comes the location. You have to specifically select where your business is located. You can do it through map. Make sure you select the precise location. Based on it, there are chances that you will come up higher in the Google searches. After that, you have to give it your phone number and your website. If you do it, people can contact you, can visit your website, and it also increases their trust on you. And after that, it says that put your business on the map. So we have already done it. So if you still get this option, just simply click on to this continue section. Working hours are also very important. Let's say whatever the opening hours you take, and if someone searches within these hours, the chances that your business will come up on their searches, because it shows that this business is available in these hours. So just let me show it to the customer because it will be helpful for them. So make sure you add all of your working hours. Whatever hours you work on, you have to select it and also the days. And here comes the most important part, which is the description. In the description, the SEO is the most useful thing. In the description, you have to add all the relevant keywords related to your business. In my case, it's a gluten free bakery. So let's say it's gluten free bakery, healthy alternatives, bakery, or something related to it. So whatever your product niche is, just simply add something related to it, because whatever you put there, someone searches it, there are chances that your business will come up into their searches on the highest number. After that, you have to add your business images and videos. This is very much useful because people will take them as serious, and if someone searches for any one of these products or something related to it, there are chances that your images will come up into their searches. So you can claim your $400 advertising credit if you would like to. Otherwise, you can skip it if you are not planning to do advertisement. And if you want to add your website domain, you can also do it. Otherwise, you can skip it for now. If you have it, then it's better that you should go with the try. Otherwise, you can skip it. Now the local SEO has been done. You just have to verify, and after that you will be in the searches. So the tactics that you have used, there are chances that your local SEO has been done really well, and when someone searches it, your business will come up as the highest in their searches. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment if you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.